Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's video, I'm going to show you how to create an epic end of the world AI photo using Pippit AI for free. Okay, first of all guys, visit Pippit AI website. Then you're going to sign in to get free credits and then go to the home menu and you're going to upload your photo. I'm going to choose a photo from my gallery, from my device. Hold on. I'm going to choose this photo. Okay, and then I'm going to add this prompt. You can use my prompt or you can modify it. It's up to you. And then I'm going to send the photo and also the prompt to AI. And just hold on. Now the AI is still generating the photo that I asked. Okay, done guys for the result. And if you want to download it, just click on this download icon and the photo will be saved to your device. Or if you're not satisfied with the photo, you can regenerate it, but it will consume more credits that you have. Thank you guys, and that's how you can create an epic end of the world AI photo with Pippit AI for free. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and if you want to try it yourself, you can click Pippit AI join link on my YouTube description, and then you can try to make any photo or any video as creative as you can. Thank you so much for watching, and bye!